Punta kaming Pampanga, yung sa Zubik Safari.
Go!
Can I get out now?
Ate, malabo nga mata mo. Ito, oh. Though a deer, a female deer.
Mami joke ba?
Together with Ayesha is Iggy, our red iguana.
1, 2, 3.
It's still edible.
Nalulungkot ako. Akala ko tiger yung nasa harap natin. In-expect ko talaga dito tiger, oh. Yung parrot na nga lang ang view mo, nagtatago pa.
Good morning guys and girls. Luluto pala tayo ngayon ng picadillo. Ano ba to? Baboy o baka? Parang mukhang baboy. Pero may niluto na ako kanina na gulay, no meat. Yan. Ito ginisang ampalaya tapos tokwang sisig. Nagluto na lang ako nito para sa mga bata din. Para sa mga takot mangitim. O, diba? O. Pero manipis lang siya. Ito, manipis lang. Try ko na nga lang din. Baka magkalimutan ko. Deodorant wipes siya. Ah, may alcohol. Parang di yata to yung nabili ko nung nakaraan. Pang ano to? Pang ganyan. Pang ganda pala to. Ah, ayun. Naramdaman ko na. Ang lamig. Woo! Oh, ito nga yun. Ang lamig. Oh! Ayun. Anong gusto? Oh, sus. Ang lamig niya. Mas malamig to kaysa nga dito. Anong sabi mo?
It feels like we're going to an airport.
Bakit?
Diba, when the feeling, yung parang ano, when you
Malamig.
woke up,
Ah,
parang ganyan. I don't have to explain it.
okay. Gets ko. Pero to, mas mura kasi to. Ito kasi nasa 100 plus. Yung isang ganito. Yun, tama. Ito, 125. Pero nakuha ko lang siya 100. Kasi naka-discount. Ito naman kasi 10 pirasong ganito, 149. Ito, sakto lang. Pero ito tumatagal talaga. Hanggang ngayon nararamdaman ko pa rin yung lamig niya. Pero ito pang pa-fresh. Kunwari, pagkatapos ng initan. Pwede na to. At talaga nga naman, may humahabol pa. Wait lang. No, this is mine. Ayaw niya talaga. Ah, sige. Okay. Ako, kung natakot siya dito sa mga sombrero. Oh, yun, oh. Bakit? Ayaw mo si daddy mag-hat? Okay. Ikaw magluto. Ay, oo. Itong batang to, ayaw humiwalay sa akin. Baka naliligo pa. Ano lang, magigisa lang naman. You're gonna saute. Kasi saute lang naman yan eh. Tapos, i-take over na lang ni mami mo mamaya. Kasi matagal itong maggisa. No? Yay. O, tingnan mo. Talagang feel na feel mo ang bakasyon mo kagad. Di ka pa nagsusuklay.
I don't brush my hair when I wake up.
Lagyan mo na yung onion.
Lahat?
Oo. Para ma-practice mo dito yung tinuturo sa iyo sa home economics.
Ganyan.
Oo. Ayusin mo hawak mo sa ano. Hindi ganyan. Hindi rin ganyan. O sige, bala ka kung saan kang komportable. Magaling maghalo. Next.
Do I just put it in?
Ooh. Ano ba yan? Baboy o baka? Sige, ganyan mo. Yan.
What's this supposed to be?
Supposed to be baka.
I mean, ulam.
Picadillo.
Is it the one with tiny peas
Oo.
and carrots?
Yes.
Where's the peas?
Ito, peace. Nakikita kasi ako ni Oli. Pero ito siya. Itong pang malakasan kung ayaw yung kumitim. Sa beach, panis yung mga sunscreen ngayon na lumalabas. Ito, reusable. Oh, diba? Ano, you don't like? Okay. Yan siya. Oh. Hanggang dito siya. Hanggang balikan.
Good morning guys, ang aga namin. Actually, late na kami dapat talaga. 5 a.m. yung alis namin. Pero 6 o'clock na. Pero okay lang yan. Punta kaming Pampanga, yung sa Zubik Safari. Tapos, doon na rin kami mag-i-stay sa parang glamping ineme nila doon. Tapos, kinabukasan, kung kaya pa, punta kaming Ocean Adventure naman. Tapos ang suot ko lang ay yung parang pinaka-komportable. Uniqlo na parang flare pants na leggings. Tapos samba. Si Oli, binili ko rin ng samba. Ayun, yung mga bata nandun na. Nakapajama pa si Oli kasi nga tulog pa. So, diniretso na lang namin dun. Ayun, let's go. Are you excited? Parang tayo lang yung pupunta.
Meron na nga tayong kasalit sa likod. Z-bike. Meron din palang ganun, Z-bike.
Akala ko e-bike lang. May z-bike din. Bilihan lang natin si Oli ng ng hat. Parang ang cute.
I just wanna see what's in there.
Punta po kayo sa kada attractions po natin. May mga parking area naman po dyan, sir. So, number 1, number 2, and then yung show area po, magkakasama po yung mga yan. Yan po, sir. Doon po yung entrance po. Yan po yung entrance ni walking attraction. Drive-thru attraction naman po, own car po ang gagamitin ninyo.
Ano yan? Ito, ilagay mo na lang to sa bag, ate. Baby shark. It's daddy shark.
Pakita mo sa kanya. Bigay mo. Bigay mo, Snake. Snake! Snake, Oli! Ala, di takot.
Snake. Snake.
Wow! Kain muna kami dito kasi hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast. Akala namin may madadaanan pa kaming McDo kanina pero wala na.
Madami.
Wala. Ano lang yun kasi dapat 9 p.m. bibili si daddy mo kasi nga nag-sleep pa kayo kasi wala nang nadaan.
Lunch ko na lang ito.
Later manonood tayo ng show 1:30. Yan, dito kami kakain. Tapos si Oli, dahil sobrang wala sa mood, binilihan muna ng tatay niya ng ice cream. Kakagising lang din kasi. Ano yan, siomay? Akala ko bumili ka hotdog. Oli!
What's that? Peacock.
Peacock! Ayun, oh. Peacock. Oli! Donkey! Dali, picture kayo doon. Dali, tayo.
Miniature horse.
Game 1, 2, 3. Oli! Miniature horse. Hello! Cute niyo naman. Oh, sige na, feed mo na. Feed mo na, Louie. Ay, Ayi.
I don't wanna feed.
Magkano po?
50 pesos lang.
50 pesos pa, 50. Oli!
Pasok ka naman.
I don't wanna. That's po, sir. Pasok po kayo, sir.
Feed mo yung tortoise, oh.
Go!
1, 2, 3.
That thing would snatch it.
Go!
Kaya.
Sige na, go, 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 go. Oh.
Oh. Hold mo yun, yan. Diyan ka. Picture. Kayo dalawa. 1, 2, 3.
I thought you like animals. Siya na babay. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Can I get out now?
Wow! Oli, what's that?
Owl.
Picture. 1, 2, 3. Si Oli! Owl! Paano siya titingin? Paano lala? Ayun!
Halika, Louie.
Okay. Oli, look here. Oli! Smile, Oli! One more. 1, 2, 3. Last. Yan, ganyan ka. Ganun. 1, 2, 3. Oli! Tingin dun.
Look. Look at the owl.
Ang ganda ng mata, no? Wow! Ganun kayo. Tingin kayo. Hello! Okay. Thank you. O, say bye-bye, owl.
Owl.
Say bye-bye, owl. Bye-bye.
Say hi.
Bye-bye. Okay, let's go.
Is that a mole or a cow?
Oh, Ollie is scared. It's raining.
Ito siya, guys.
It's a cow.
Bostaurus.
Belted Galloway cattle.
Natakot si Oli.
Bakit siya moo?
Ay, another horse.
Ollie, I just
Another horse.
by the moo.
Say hello, horse. You're so pretty. Hello. Ay, sorry. Kumakain. Donkey pala. Donkey pa rin pala to. Donkey, tama.
Siguro. Parang iba.
Kaya nga eh.
I didn't know leopards are that cute.
Yeah.
They're like cats. They are cats.
Sana dito.
Wait,
How are they not falling?
they're from the wild.
It's their, skill.
Like cats. So.
Let's go. Parang ano no, ang daming wala. Ayun, katulad dito, wala na. Wala na to eh. Ano kaya yan dati? Parang monkey.
That is
Di
a
ba?
donkey, but it looks like a horse.
May bagging, no? Wala na.
Oh, Philippine warty pig.
Wala na rin yung white pig.
Ha? Yung ano?
White pig.
Ah, oh, tama nga. Oh, ito oh. Ito siya dapat oh. Wala, nasaan na kaya? Wala na. Wala na namang monkey. Warty pig. Ayun siya.
There's only one.
Nag-iisa.
And there's another one.
Ay, dalawa pala. Look, Oli.
Puro ayaw mo lahat.
Pinocchio.
Akala pa naman namin matutuwa ka sa zoo. Kasi ang hilig-hilig mo sa animals. Na? Ngayon, ayaw mo.
That's a jaguar.
Jaguar.
Ay! Oli, monkey! Ayun ang monkey! It's so
What
cute!
you say? No!
So cute monkey, Oli! Look!
That's a
Ano ba
monkey.
talaga?
Oh my God.
Feed me here. Please do not extend your hands. Animals do bite.
Hi!
Wow.
Maalis siya.
They're good at climbing.
Obviously.
The monkeys are so cute.
Why is there...
Hmm?
Do you like the monkey? Yes.
He's so cute! Cute
What does the
monkey!
monkey say? What does the monkey say? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Huh? What happened to her stab?
It's you.
How do you know if it's a girl or
Ayaw
a
niya.
boy?
Louis, oh, bear cat. Palawan bear cat.
It's a bear cat?
Yes. Andun. Ayun oh, nasa harap mo na. Ayan, ate!
Is it slipping?
Ate, malabo nga mata mo. Ito, oh.
It's so cute! It's so cute! Do you like it? Yes. Do you like
Ah, you like the cat? Bear cat?
Yes.
Wow.
Where's the bear cat?
See, there. It might bite. See?
Sige, hanggang dito lang.
Wow. You like it?
Yan.
Now what's that?
Nawa-warm up na siya.
Ganun pala.
Hi, okay. I almost fell. Look. Look. Look.
Oh, look at the monkey.
Oo, long-tailed.
Maggie.
But I mean, look, donkey.
And what Tori wears. Wow, Ducky. What is that?
Oh, careful.
Filipino. Don't touch it.
Only a deer. Did you see the deer? Though a deer, a female deer.
Mami joke ba yan?
It's a deer. What does a deer say?
Oh, tinali.
Way to run. Sinisipon ang uli ko.
It's an M.
Ostrich, Oli. Naka-warm up na. Okay na siya.
Oo.
Ate, huwag ka lalapit.
Why is it so tall?
Wow.
Didn't I feed one?
Hi!
Didn't I feed one before?
Yes. Okay.
Nag-imagine siya.
Pengi
Sabi,
daw.
pengi pagkain.
Feed. Feed ang pagkain.
Nag-imagine. Oh, ayun.
Ano? Oh.
Ay, ang galing.
Yun yung senyas niya.
Playing charades.
Pagkain lang.
We're
Walang
playing
ano.
charades.
Wala dito.
Walang mabilhan.
Wala.
Sayang.
Walang naka-station pang
Dati
dito.
may picture tayo dito. Pinakain yan.
Ay, ganon?
Mm-mm. Dito tayo, oh. Nakatayo sa picture.
Alin?
Baby pa si Ayi. Ay, mga 3 years old si Ayi.
What do you want to try? Ah, this one?
Ate!
Ito pala, iba't iba.
Ha?
Ayun, kasuwari.
Emo.
Emo. Ostrich.
Oh, yun pala yun.
Rhea.
That's a duck?
Yeah.
That's a duck.
Yan lang yung tubig.
Kunti lang.
Kita mo yun, oh. May tube.
Ah, baka lalagyan pa ate.
Egg.
Ay, may egg, no? Oo nga, no?
Got any grapes? What?
Egg.
Where?
Oo nga, may egg
Oh, I see
doon.
Are they the same?
Oli, look, eagle.
Eagle. Yeah.
I think there's another one but hiding.
Ayun siya.
I can see the
Ito yung nangahabol, no?
roasted.
Geese.
It's roasted.
No, it's goose.
It's a roasted.
No. That's the first time that I have seen a turkey in real life.
A turkey, Oli.
Ayun, kasuwari.
Hala. Ang cute. Ay, ang ganda ng kulay pa. Ano, pink, blue. Parang ano to, oh. Kontrabida sa, ano,
Is that a lion?
Disney movie. Tignan nyo.
What does the
Huh?
bird say?
Kasuwari. Yan pala yun. Pero ang ganda ng kulay, no? It's a? It's a parrot.
A bird?
Say hi, parrot.
Oh, I can say it's bird.
Again. Say hi, parrot. Hi, parrot.
But they still look happy.
What color is the parrot?
That one looks happy.
Wow. So nice na, Oli, no? Kami dito. Hindi nyo kami nakikita. Sa kulay, no?
Ang galing, ah.
I thought they were wood.
Look at the, ano, oh, owl, Oli.
It's for you.
Parang natakot ako bigla. Peafowl.
Is this washable? And what happened to your eye?
Nalagyan ng sweat.
Oh. It's so beautiful.
Ano yan?
Ito ang ganda. Chrysolophus pictus.
Golden peasant.
Ayun na, tingnan mo, tingnan mo.
Hala, oo nga. Ang cute.
Hi! Say hi. It's so pretty, no?
Can I see?
What color? What color is the bird?
Say red. Red.
Okay.
Say yellow. Yellow. Say
So
rainbow.
nice.
Rainbow.
Ang haba ng ano niya, oh, pinaka-tail. Souvenir shop na to. Meron ano eh, after nitong walking natin, may drive-thru. So, magdadrive kami papunta dun sa mga iba pang destination. Yeah, souvenir. Pa-picture tayo sa tiger. Yes?
Andito pala.
Sino?
Pang feed.
Ay, oo nga, no? Dito pala bibili yung mga pang-feed sa animal. Akala natin sa loob.
Ay, kasi meron na dun kanina, kaya akala
O, yun nga eh. Tara, dito na lang. 10 years old na itong nasa baba. Titan. Oh.
Kayo magpa-picture po kay Titan po.
Sige.
Sir, once in a lifetime experience po.
Tara, picture tayo. Sayang. Ah, yung gatas ni Titan ay cowhead. Tantaray.
Cowhead.
Cowhead. Saan kami uupo, kuya?
Dito banda man. Yan, dyan.
Ikaw magpapadede?
Yung magpaparedy ko kasi
Ikaw na lang.
Isin lang po ha. ng bata. Like, bit lang po. Then, listen lang sa handler po natin. Then you can hug the tiger. Step your feet like then bend your body. Like, I feel my breath. Okay? Umislan po kayo ng pagkakulang. Tapos sa tiger. Ibig sabihin, pag meron kang ganito, friend tayo. Pwede mo siyang yakapin. Forward mo yung face mo, tapos tingin ka kay kuya. Then sir, din naman po, medyo mag-bend up po kayo. Nabalo na po. Para kahit hindi po mga ating tubig. Okay. Okay, ready?
Ate, hold properly ha. Dito niya kuya ko. Hold properly.
Okay, ready?
Sa camera, everybody camera.
Everybody!
Bye!
Bitawan nila sa lang sa kala mo. Bitawan mo yung bata. Bitawan mo, dito bata. Bitawan mo, bitawan.
Bitawan na, bitawan.
Can I wash my hands? I want to wash my hands. Like that, dude.
What it feels like?
I thought it would be soft.
Soft? Ano? Ang cute na parang baby.
Opo.
Kaso ito si Oli, puro nakatalikod yung picture. Takot talaga siya.
Mamaya wala ka ng boses.
Akala namin mag-e-enjoy ka.
Puro ganyan ang background.
Papa, baka malaglag.
It looks like it's winking.
Saan?
Oh, eye.
Oo.
Close eye.
Diba? Ang cute naman, oh. Natakot lang ako yung
Like that.
biglang gumunong konti lang paglabas.
Ano?
Can I see?
Wow, tiger!
Ay, ang cute! Oli, ang cute mo dyan!
Ito na lang, ma'am.
Ayan, Zubik Safari.
Si Olin na si Olin.
Ay, Subic Cave at saka po Butterfly Garden.
Okay, sige.
Pwede kung gano'n, ma'am.
Bali, lion tsaka tiger na lang.
Crocodile po tayo.
Okay,
Then, may
drive
makikita rin
din.
po, after ng crocodile po, may eye test presentation din po tayo doon sa eye test train po na.
Okay, sige.
Alam ko saan yun, sir.
Naglakad din. Walking, 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 walk. Oli, look. Same tayo, oh. Oli, same tayo shoes. Look. Wow. Same shoes. Serpentarium. Pa, punta kayo dito. Picture ako kayo, game. Move kayo dito. Okay, game. 1, 2, 3, smile. Wow, Oli.
May nakatingin din dito. May nakaharap.
Are wet.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Smile, ganun.
Let's go na, let's
Ari ka na.
Daddy, Oli is not scared to go there. Is that her reward?
Oo.
Wow. Same shoes. Say Tata. Tata. Say tutu. Tata.
Oo, talagang pinicture niya yung favorite animal. Look, oh. Look.
Ay, my favorite color. Cute. Oh, dahil si green ka. Picture kita. Ayaw ko sa'yo, pero dahil green ka.
Jantula, ate.
Nasaan?
Jack.
Oo.
Till we got that bad. But if it's in our house, I will leave the house.
1, 2.
Yeah.
What's that? Iguana.
Are you scared? No. Wow! Yabang ah! No. What else? Ayun, a snake, Oli.
Ayun, yung yellow, oh.
Snake!
Tignan mo?
Oh, I thought you're not scared.
Ito, snake, oh. Mas malapit. Snake.
Crazy dog.
Sabi mo hindi ka takot. I said that. Ang laki nito, oh. Albino. Ito, albino python. Ball python.
It's called python.
Ay, ang ganda naman ito.
Uy, nagbalat na, oh.
Pinstripe. Mystic Potion. Oh, ganyan pala. Pag nagbalat, ayun siya. Ano kaya ang pagkain nila? Corn snake.
Gecko.
What's that?
Gecko, ayun.
Mama! Yan ang ayoko. Mas tanggap ko pa yung iguana kaysa yung sa ganun. Yan ba yung
Ah, toko. Gecko.
mga ganon? Yan yun? Ayoko.
Hindi ko alam pala.
It's a snake.
There's no name.
Baka ka-iguana rin.
Just check it. That's cute.
It's a bearded dragon.
Oh my god. What am I doing?
Look, yun pala niya.
What are we doing?
I don't touching the glass.
What?
Having on the glass.
No, hindi naman niya tinatap. What's that?
Where's the tortoise?
Bearded dragon.
Ayan yung tortoise. Look, oh.
Oh, yun ang tortoise.
Isn't pythons venomous?
It's not.
Oh, I thought it is.
Ang weird! Ang weird, Oli!
Naghahanap ng lalabasan.
Oo. Look! Oh,
Yan yung common, reticulated python.
ginagawa niya.
Naghahanap ng
Yay!
Tara na.
Sana all maputi.
Ito pa.
Nag-blue tayo. Sana all maputi. Ang kinis na. Ivory. So big.
It's Ollie's reward.
Ate, layo. Parang feeling ko aabutin ka.
Ollie. Mama, your favorite animal.
Monitor lizard. Ayun o, snake.
Kayo, ganyan. Ay, ganyan. Diyan ka. Tama yan. Tapos
Ay, hindi pala yan.
Ayun, yung tail.
Can I see it? No.
Am I blind?
Wala na.
Ayan. Ay,
Wala, rock pa.
That leaf is so cute.
Ayun o.
Wow.
Ayun.
ah!
Kita mo? Snake.
Asan? Asan? Wow. Wow. A snake. No.
Ayun. Ayun o, look. Look, nandun. Yung snake. Ayun, up.
How about this one? Where's this one?
Ayun. Kita mo? Oh. Kita mo yung snake? Ano yan?
Parang kakakain lang.
Oo nga, no? Wala.
Ba siya yun, no?
Oo. Baka manok. Ballroom. Baka mga ano yan, mga putahe.
I thought it was a casino.
Pabili po.
What's this?
Okay. Ito po, isa po ako nito.
Can I pick it, Candy? Let me see.
Ganda siya. This is picture. Ano naman yung arte na yan?
May candy na daw siya eh.
Happy na siya.
Yung pinapapicturean ka pero napipilitan ka.
Oh, okay, how do I
Yun,
open
yun
this?
sa nanay.
Bumili si Daddy ano ito. Icy Cool Cleansing Wipes. Tapos itong Gatsby. Mamaya
cat.
pa, kunin mo na lang kaya yung sasakyan. Dito din naman ata eh.
Okay. Pwede po mag-park dito? Sige. Louie.
Manonood ko ba?
Oo, manonood.
Tapos pagkatapos po manood, doon na po kami.
Oo, kasi maraming packs na yun.
Pwede na po ngayon mag-park dyan.
Pwede po.
Ah,
Kasi may mga bus mamaya.
Ayun, kunin mo na. Diyan mo na i-park. Pero pwede po doon. So ayan, medyo inagahan talaga namin para nandito kami sa gitna. Nakaupo. Kasi may show ng 1:30. 12:40 pa lang nandito na kami. Alina! Ito si Louie. Gitnang-gitna kami. Tapos nilipat na ni Daddy Al yung parking dito, banda, para sa drive-thru mamaya papunta sa Lion, Tiger, and Crocodile.
Lion, tiger,
Yes.
crocodile.
Yes. Diyan na siya nag-park ko. Doon banda. Kasi kanina, nandun pa sa may entrance. So, pwede naman pala dito ilipat. Are you excited? You're gonna watch, no? Yes? Nasa mood ka na?
Be ready to experience the forest like never before. Find your inner peace in nature's embrace and have a glamorous night in the wild. With our humanity. The first and the only tiger safari in the Philippines. By the way, guys, I want to ask you all, how are you feeling today? Are you feeling good? Yeah! Oh, come on, make it louder again. Are you feeling great today? Yeah! All right, that's quite the energy. So now, guys, are you ready for more? Come on, I want the most energetic one again. Are you ready? Alright, now that you are ready, please welcome our cuddly poodle. And here is Makoy. Hi there, Harry. By the way, Harry is our pot-bellied pig. They are originated from Vietnam and China. And also, pot-bellied pigs are among the top 10 most intelligent animals in the world. Now, Harry is going to show us some obedience behavior. Harry is going to pass through those orange cones. So guys, do you think Harry can do it? Of course. Go on, Harry. Show them what you got. Okay, Harry, you missed it out. Okay, I think Harry needs your cheer. Everyone say, go, Harry. Go, Harry. Please welcome our endemic animal friends. Hello there, guys. Alright, volunteers, just do what the instruction of handlers. Okay, sir, please look a bit forward. Okay, now sir, stand up straight. There you go. So how about a picture taking together with this lovely creatures? So everyone, eyes here. Let's start with Layla. Alright, together with Layla is Kyle, our 9 months old Philippine long-tailed macaque. They are locally known as maching, or in general term, we call them unggoy, which is longer than their height from their head to their rump. And together with Frederick is Zook, our Philippine skunks out. I'll rotate their neck. What's an idea? 360? 180? Yes? 270? You can try. Okay, everyone. An owl can rotate their neck up to 270 degrees without tearing tendons or breaking vessels. Maybe you have a souvenir later, okay? Now let's proceed at the center. So we have here Almond, our Palawan bear cat. They are locally known as Pinturo and has a lifespan of approximately 20 years. This animal can stand erect like a bear and has whiskers like cat. Thus the name bear cat. Now everyone, unfortunately, most of our endemic animals, how does it feel?
Mabigat.
Mabigat. Yes, it is. Always weigh more or less 11 to 12 kilos. And by the way, one fascinating fact about bear cat or binturo is that they smell like popcorn or pandan even if we don't give them a bath. How about a big round applause for our endemic animal friends and of course to my brave volunteers here. Thank you so much, guys. You have a souvenir from Zubin. Our upcoming night safari season. So that will start this coming April 5 and all Saturday up to May 31st, 2025. For tickets and reservation, please like and follow our Facebook page for you to be updated. Alright, ma'am, please stay here at the middle. How about you, ma'am? What is your name? Ayesha. So how about a big round of applause for my volunteers here? Come on. Maybe can you promise that anything we will put on your hands, you are not going to drop it? Promise? Now please put your palms up like this. Alright, now volunteers all together. Are you ready? Ready? How about the audience? Are you ready? Okay, now that you are all ready, please welcome all the way from the serpents, are you? And here are the reptilian family. Hello there, guys. Alright, so guys, whatever happens, please do not drop our animal master. Slow a bit. Going to your right, okay? Okay, so again, guys, whatever happens, please do not drop our animal friends. Alright, let us wait for Iggy to calm down. I think Iggy is very excited to meet you. Okay? May we request to turn off the flash? That's actually the reason why our animal is moving that way. It's a bit distracted with lights. Alright, Ayesha, you can do it. Alright, there you go. So everyone, let's meet Billy here, our ball python. It can grow approximately 5 feet long, and also, don't you know that they are called ball python? It is because they love to roll into a ball to protect head with their body. Now together with Sir Chris is Bella, our bearded dragon. They are actually called bearded dragon. It is because of the tongue spikes that can be found around their throat. And also, their gender is based on chromosomes and environmental temperature. At high temperature, male bearded dragon undergo gender reversal and develop as a female. Interesting, right? And of course, together with Ayesha is Iggy, our red iguana. They can be found in the tropical areas of Caribbean and Central South America. Ayesha, you may check. At the top of its head, they have third eye, or what we call the parietal eye. Even though it does not produce images, it is a very important element for them as it helps them sense movement from above. Now everyone please listen. Reptiles are mostly misunderstood creatures. They are labeled as scary and dangerous animals and tend to get killed whenever they interact with humans. What we don't understand is that they play a vital role in keeping our ecosystem healthy and that they are just also trying to live the natural way they have. Alright, how about a big round of applause for our reptilian family and of course my great volunteers here. Thank you so much guys. We have a baller from Zubik Safari. Thank you. Oh, someone is raising their hand. Come on, I need one from your group. And you now, please make your way here. Wearing a pink.
Ate, di ka natakot? Very good ah. Anong feeling?
Alright, and I have another one. Yes,
Ano?
you know? Come on.
I don't know.
Alright, so let's just do it.
Pero okay lang. Ang tapang mo talaga. Kahit kailan ka.
Alright, volunteers here on the stage, please.
Sabi ko na eh, feeling ko sa sali to eh.
I didn't know.
Okay, so I have are you ready? Yes, alright, now that you are ready, please welcome Maxine! Hi there, Maxine! Okay, volunteers, please compress. Come on, move closer to each other. Okay, so whatever happens, please do not squeeze Maxine, alright? Just relax. Okay, and there you go. So everyone, meet Maxine, our albino Burmese python. Malamig. Malamig, but you are sweating, huh?
What are the animals there for? Yung mga rooster.
Look on your left.
Wow! Yan guys, drive-thru na yung ginagawa namin. Wow, look oh!
Why did
Carabao!
Why did
Did
you
you
want to
see it?
switch? So I can see it.
Carabao!
It's just an animal.
Ano yun? I don't know.
Ano? Baka.
Oh, horse.
Lion!
Oy, ayun pala yung Wagyu. Yun kanina, yun pala yung Wagyu.
Horse.
Ah, yan o lion.
Ah, ito.
Asan?
Nandiyan.
Teka. Yun, bababa tayo. Kayo naman.
Let's go zebra!
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Look at the horse, Oli! Wow! It's a horsey.
Gohan, do you wanna see the lion?
Let's go.
Wag na anak, no?
Look, it's a cat. That's scary. Okay, that is scary. Where's the food?
Wait, you have to wait. Hi! Wow!
Ah, laki. It's okay.
Lion! Wow! Grabe, ang laki. Look here. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay.
Oh. Laki. Oh. Laki ng boses. Ayan. Ang laki.
Nima.
3 slice.
It's a tiger.
Ay, sayang ate, di ka tumingin. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Look here. Oh, ikaw naman, Louie.
No!
Ikaw.
It's still edible for...
No. Bilis mo naman. Bilis
Bye-bye.
Oo nga.
Kuya, pwede pa picture.
Okay, bye-bye. See you later. Okay.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look,
Ang laki. Ang laki, no? Look at the paw. Ang laki ng paw.
Si cute.
Ang laki ng paw.
They go
Huh?
kitty, yeah.
Paw.
Oo nga, no?
Ang laki.
Cute kitty, yeah.
Tignan mo, tigtago dun.
Let's go.
What's this? Daddy, what's this?
Doon na, may
I don't
dadaan.
know.
Come on. Hi, Oli. Ako yung last letter sa alphabet. Z is for?
Zebra.
Zebra.
Look, a zebra! Say hi, zebra!
Wow.
Why is it frozen?
Z is for?
Oh,
Zeus.
Z is for?
what's that?
Zebra.
From Epic the Musical?
No?
I was going to stand there first.
No, standing
Hi,
there first.
zebra.
Say you're eating.
Hi, zebra.
Say hi, zebra.
Oli,
Oli,
smile.
happy face.
Happy face, Oli. No, no, no. Don't touch that.
Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
So ayan guys, sasakay na tayo dito. Tiger Cafe. Andito pa yung mga souvenir. Waiting lang tayo. Line 1 daw.
可以啊，你要坐后面，你可以坐啊，坐前面。
Ay, ito. Sige. Ay, gusto mas. Dito ako. Oo. Di daw yung magpapakain yung ano daw magpapakain. Selfie mo, selfie. Sige, sige, picture. Lapit kayo. Lapit kayo. Ayan. Sige, tingin.
They look cute.
它的嘴巴好臭哦。
They're cute.
不要拍影片，拍影片啦！
有拍影片，我在拍影片。
好吃吗？
Up close.
What do they taste like? Oh my god!
Nothing.
Oh my god! It tastes like nothing. Then why do you like it?
No, at first they should taste good.
Wow! What did it taste like?
Cut. Cut.
Ayaw na.
Cut. Hey. Cut.
Ayaw na po siya.
Up, up, up. Cut. Ah. Cut, 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 cut. Tama ka na dyan.
Look here,
Baba.
look here.
Len, wala nang manok, Len. Merienda lang kami muna dito. Ano? Okay. Si Ai bumili pancit canton. Ang ganda ng dayo mo dito.
What kind of pancit canton is that?
Sweet and spicy. Tapos ako bumili ng siomai. Tapos ito kay Via. Hotdog. Tsaka kay Louie. Tapos hinihintay na lang namin yung french fries. Buti talaga hindi masyadong mainit ngayon. Sakto lang. no? Hindi yung talagang tirik na tirik yung araw.
Or you feel like you're about to have a heat stroke.
Yes. Like that.
Look guys, I have caterpillar. Say hi guys.
Sabi sama. Yan, dito na kami magche-check-in at makakapagpahinga na rin.
Ay, akala ko tiger.
Look, built-in commands for Alexa. You have Alexa.
Akala ko sa may tiger tayo. Yan guys, ang view namin ay parrot. Akala ko tiger.
Dito na pala kami sa room. Ito yung higaan namin. Oh. Sakto lang naman. Dalawa kami ni Bia, tapos ito silang dalawa ni Ivy. Tapos ito ang Bia. Nandun daw yung tiger eh. Tapos si Bia, nagpapalista na lang kung anong dinner mamaya at saka breakfast bukas. Ano yan?
Sayang kuya, hindi kami sa tiger. Pasensya na po, ma'am. Uno eh, dalawa lang pala yung may tiger, 1 and 2. Siguro late tayo nagpabook eh.
Oo.
Saan si
Ay,
Ang,
wala ko naman CR.
Akala ko tanaw na tanaw, may blinds pala. Sabi ko, tanaw na tanaw tayo sa labas. Laki CR. Yung dinner, ihahatid dito ng mga 5:30 to 6 p.m. kasi hanggang 5 lang yung restaurant. Tapos, ang breakfast, pupunta tayo mismo dun
Saan?
sa restaurant. Tapos, ito yung di pa pakita natin. Yan, 7:30 to 9 a.m. Yung swimming pool, hanggang 9 p.m. pwede. Louie, hanggang 9 p.m. yung pool.
Oh,
O, ngayon ka na mag-swimming.
what?
Kahit mga 5?
Later?
Oh, hindi. I mean, maya-maya. I mean, ngayon, hindi bukas.
Ngayong araw na kayo mag-swimming.
Kasi maaga tayo bukas, punta tayong ocean adventure. Nalulungkot ako, akala ko tiger yung nasa harap natin. Gusto ko tiger. In-expect ko talaga dito tiger, oh. Wala namang sinabi na, parang, syempre di ko alam na may parrot na
Akala mo lahat
option.
tiger.
Akala ko lahat tiger. Dadalawang room lang pala yung may tiger.
At least alam na natin. At na-share na natin sa Ochi.
Oo, kung gusto nyo yung view nyo ay tiger, itanong nyo muna, ipa-confirm nyo muna. Confirm? Kung tiger ba yung view nyo. Kasi kami, hindi ko na tinanong, akala ko lahat tiger. Meron palang option na parrot. Pero kasi ang chat sa akin nun, 2 slot na lang available.
Baka ito, tsaka yun.
Oo, itong 2 nga yun.
Kasi ano yun.
Hindi naman sinabi na, ma'am, yun parrot side yun Ayoko lang parrot, gusto ko tiger. Walang walang thrill.
Hindi yung magigising ka ng
Gusto ko kasi silang makita maghapon. Parang tinitignan mo na, gigising, wah! Gumising na kaya! So, yung housekeeping. Ay, naku pa ako. Laki ng CR.
Sabi si...
Okay naman, malinis naman.
Oo.
As in, tulugan lang siya. Pero, decente naman.
Oo.
Yan oh. Yan. Malaki! Laki ng CR oh. Pwede na. Malinis naman siya guys. Yan. Alam ko kapag kayo dito, nag-check-in, libre na yung tour. Zubik Safari, tama?
For
Good for 4 yun. Kasi good for 4 person yung yung kinuha naming room. So, good for 4 person din yung tour. Pati, may kasama ng dinner and breakfast. Hindi lang breakfast Tapos yung pagkain, normal na, pagkain lang.
grilled chicken.
Oo, mga tasino, ganun lang. Tapos, kapag kailangan mo daw ng housekeeping or may question ka sa pag-check out, pag wala ka nakitang housekeeping dito, i-Alexa mo lang daw. Nandito naman daw. Ano to? May kape? Oh my God, may kape. Tayo nagkakape. Ito, coffee.
Ayan pala.
White sugar. Ngayon lang. Hindi na kasi ako guys nagkakape. 2 weeks na. Simula nung nagkano ko UTI. Talagang wala na yung kasama. Ang dami din 4 na kape, white sugar, 4 na creamer. Tapos, malaki din yung TV. Magkano to pa?
999.
10,000 na rin.
Oo.
10,000 to. Tapos, may pool na. Yun yung swimming pool. Hanggang 9 p.m. yan.
Tapos 50%
Yan.
lang.
Yung 50% down payment lang. Nakasaksak na to? Lagay nyo na yung mga drinks nyo dito. May free water na din pala. Oh, yung parrot na nga lang ang view mo, nagtatago pa. Mahiyain. Pero parang nakaka-relax to pag puro butterfly. No? Imagine mo, ang daming butterfly. Wow! Sige, bubbles mo.
Tapos,
Wow! Wow!
bibiti ka. Ang dami kasi eh. Buti ano, kababaw lang.
Malamig. Malamig. Picture. Oli, ay Louie.
Sisir mo siya? Yes.
Ito na yung food, guys. Yempo. Ito kina Ayi, fried chicken.